opinion enough with claiming the world's fastest autofocus. It sounds great, but it means very little. As helpful as it is to have camera manufacturers focusing on something other than megapixels these days, they still need to come up with reasons to brag about their latest models. Whether it's a brand new feature or an existing one made much better, new cameras need a reason to exist. Today, the focus seems to be on focus itself, more specifically, just how promptly an autofocus system can spring to life and get a lock on the subject you're shooting. What we now see is a suspiciously high number of cameras with the words "world's fastest autofocus system" somewhere in their press release. Unless you're blessed with the reflexes of a fly, autofocus speed is incredibly difficult to measure in real-world conditions, so we're taking the manufacturers at their word when they claim their latest camera can manage to focus in 0.04 or 0.03 seconds. But when everyone starts to claim what appears to be same crown for their own system, you start to wonder what's going on and how exactly they can do this. The caveat: scan a new camera's press release and you'll notice that claims about the world's fastest anything are almost always accompanied by an asterisk, dagger, or a superscript number when there are a number of party tricks that need clarification. Whichever it is, the reason for its inclusion is the same: whatever it is that's being claimed is only true in very specific conditions. Take Canon's latest EOS RP mirrorless camera. The very first paragraph of the press release claims it has the world's fastest autofocus, but you have to work your way to the small print right at the end to understand exactly what Canon means by this. It reads: as of February 13, 2019, among interchangeable lens digital mirrorless cameras incorporating a 35mm full-frame equivalent image sensor with contrast detection AF and phase detection AF on the image plane. Calculated from the results of measured AF speed, based on CIPA guidelines, differs depending on shooting conditions and lens used. Measured using internal methods. Measurement conditions: EV12, ambient temperature /ISO 100, manual mode, using the RF24105mm f4L as USM, at a focal length of 24mm, with the following settings: shutter released using the shutter button, 1-point AF, center AF, one-shot AF. So, it's with a specific lens that few people own, used at a specific focal length, with a specific method of focusing and in a specific focus mode. Canon deserves credit for transparency, but measured using internal methods means nothing if you don't know what those methods are. Furthermore, the fact that it's only